How to update CapCut on Android. If any day you are an Android user and use the very CapCut application to edit your various kind of videos, and someday you would like to update your CapCut application on your Android device but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After you check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not, now in the search section of your mobile device, you have to search Play Store out there. You can either search the Play Store application on your mobile device or you can find the very Play Store application by scrolling left or right. After you find the very Play Store application, you have to tap on that. After you tap on the Play Store application, you can see that Play Store will be launched on your mobile device. Now in the search section, you have to search CapCut out there. After you search CapCut out there, you have to wait for a while until you find the very CapCut application. Now after that, when you see an interface like this, instead of the option of the open out there, you can see the option of install or the update there. If there is the option of the install there, you have to download the very CapCut on your mobile device. But if there's the option of update there, from the option of the update, instead of open, you can just update your CapCut application from there. And after that, you have to do it until it reaches 100% and later you can open it, and this way you can update the CapCut application on your mobile device. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.